Smartsheet has emerged as a powerful and versatile tool in the project management landscape, lauded for its familiar spreadsheet interface combined with robust collaborative features. It empowers teams to plan, track, and manage projects with impressive agility. However, like any tool, Smartsheet isn't a silver bullet. Understanding its limitations is crucial for project managers to make informed decisions about its suitability and to leverage it effectively alongside other solutions when necessary. While Smartsheet excels in many areas, certain aspects can present challenges, particularly as projects become more complex or require specialized functionalities. Let's delve into some of the key limitations to be aware of. 1. Beyond basic task management, the complexity ceiling. Smartsheet shines when managing tasks, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress. Its grid-based structure makes it intuitive for breaking down work into manageable steps. However, as projects grow in complexity, involving intricate dependencies, resource leveling across multiple projects, and sophisticated critical path analysis, Smartsheet's inherent spreadsheet nature can become a hindrance. While formulas and links between sheets offer some level of advanced management, they can become cumbersome and difficult to maintain for highly complex projects. Dedicated project management software often provides more robust features for handling intricate dependencies, resource allocation algorithms, and clearer visualizations of critical paths. For instance, visualizing resource overallocation across a portfolio of projects can be challenging within Smartsheet's native capabilities, often requiring manual workarounds or third-party integrations. 2. Resource management nuances, allocation and availability. Smartsheet offers resource management features, allowing you to assign resources to tasks and track their utilization. However, its capabilities in this area are not as sophisticated as dedicated resource management tools. Accurately tracking individual resource availability, considering factors like vacations, non-project work, and varying skill sets, can be less intuitive. While you can assign percentages to tasks, a more granular understanding of resource capacity and potential conflicts across multiple projects might necessitate manual calculations or reliance on external systems. Dedicated resource management software often provides visual dashboards of resource availability, conflict detection, and tools for optimizing resource allocation based on skills and availability. 3. Reporting and analytics, bridging the gap to deeper insights. Smartsheet offers various reporting options, including summary reports, charts, and dashboards. These are valuable for providing snapshots of project progress. However, for in-depth analysis, trend identification across multiple projects, and highly customizable reporting, Smartsheet's native capabilities might fall short. While integrations with business intelligence tools can bridge this gap, the out-of-the-box reporting might lack the flexibility to create highly specific reports tailored to unique stakeholder needs, or to perform advanced data analysis without exporting data. Dedicated project management platforms often offer more advanced analytics features, including pre-built reports for earned value management, portfolio performance, and customizable dashboards with drill-down capabilities. 4. Formal project management methodologies, adapting, not inherently supporting. Smartsheet's flexibility allows it to be adapted to various project management methodologies like waterfall, agile, or hybrid approaches. However, it doesn't inherently enforce the specific processes and workflows associated with these methodologies in the same way that tools designed specifically for them do. For instance, while you can create Kanban boards in Smartsheet, it might lack the built-in features for managing sprint backlogs, burn-down charts, or velocity tracking that dedicated agile tools offer. Similarly, for waterfall projects, while you can define phases and dependencies, Smartsheet doesn't provide the same level of structured guidance through the traditional project lifecycle as some purpose-built tools. 5. Communication and collaboration, staying within the structured framework. Smartsheet facilitates collaboration through sharing, commenting, and automated update requests. However, its communication features are primarily tied to specific tasks or rows within a sheet. For broader project-level discussions, brainstorming sessions, or informal communication, teams might still rely heavily on email or separate messaging platforms. While integrations with communication tools exist, The native communication within Smartsheet is often structured around specific action items rather than fostering more fluid, project-wide conversations. Dedicated project management platforms often integrate more comprehensive communication features, such as project forums, document sharing with version control, and real-time collaboration tools. 6. Integration ecosystem growing but not universal. Smartsheet boasts a growing list of integrations with other business applications. However, the depth and seamlessness of these integrations can vary. Connecting Smartsheet with highly specialized industry-specific software or legacy systems might require custom development or rely on third-party integration platforms. While common integrations with tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and various CRM and ERP systems are available, organizations with unique software ecosystems should carefully evaluate the available integrations and their capabilities.